the accused.
The Darbar Shnong Mawlai Mawroh today resolved to oppose the recommendation of the Delimitation Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to detach Mawlai Mawroh from Mawlai Constituency and attach it to Jiao. The emergency Darbar held today witnessed a strong opposition from residents of the locality. Even as they insist to remain with Mawlai Constituency, the Darbar Shnong Mawroh has decided to send a letter to the chairman of the Select Committee for further consideration, reiterating their opposition to the proposal.
Hagbide bat kani ka HDC to ba borobor hi ngi ya rengkat bat ka Mawlai ton Darbar. Tingim lak ban lait ka Mawlai ton Darbar kedika kami jangka Darbar Shnong Mawlai Mawroh kemasiwang. But hoi kadai lada kalong lada PS ngau sisa hoi ka jingbun break labun. Lada PS ngau sisa kum ka sarkar ka badan kata jing pia. Beli kimpen pai bayi ka Mawlai al yang kan ai kan Mawlai e Mawlai bi. Kata ni pedian ya kata. Kemudian kejeng percaya kita. Lada kadan ai ka Mawlai e ka Mawlai bi lan kanu.
The Nongpok region